Guys, so me know Gracie down in my comment section and see the people them a diss me from Bahamas and she not defend me. Make me call Gracie and ask her why she not in the comment section and defend her friend. Cause the people them a diss me. Or maybe she not gonna answer right now. She busy. Yeah, when she
busy time can't talk.
So you answer for Ross. Me I go call her back 7 o'clock when me know say she not busy. And me I go ask how come she say me know Gracie read some of the comments. She a coward. Me I go find out from Gracie if she a coward. Because she see the message. She see all the people that might diss me in the comment section and she not go down to go dissuade me. So wait till me get her back on the phone. Me will come back right here so. Oh no no, so Gracie not call me back. Me I go call her. Me not care what time of day this is. Me call her backside. Gracie, you're not supposed to call me from yesterday back.
So why you never call me back if you see me never call? I must remember me no get back.
Cause me not important to you. And you know how me know say you're not important to you?
Yeah.
You over my page and you see the Bohemians them attack me and I know you don't go in the comment section and go answer one of them for me. What kind of friend you be?
What kind of answer me if you answer them when you deal with them?
Me not deal with nobody.
What do you mean you deal with nobody?
You have to defend me.
Me say I'll stick you on a funding case with something else and I say serve on the right. But I work, I'm busy and I can't use my phone and my evening job like that. And
me see you in a other comment section and if you are me real G and you see the people
well,
in my
I tell you like for me. Come in a comment like that. So you should have known.
Gracie, me see you like one whole heap of my video.
Your own page. Yeah, me like no, your own page then.
Exactly. That's what me mean.
Say other people something you know.
No, not for other people something on my page. Me see up on my page.
When I look for something I never remember which day. I said, then I saw something on your page me not like. I say, as my God, she tell me if I like. And say everything me do me wrong with you.
No.
Leave me alone, man. I'm not take no set for me.
Yeah, there.
Leave me alone and take no set for me. You fool?
Yeah, there. So let me ask you a question now. You see how you're going like you.
Nobody take no set for me. Me not heck.
You not hear there.
Set for me.
Me not take no set for you. But me just I said to myself yesterday, say, I don't see Gracie answer one of them people.
You know me now in a tracing. If me I go lick, me I go just lick you in your mouth and done. Me can't bother the tracing.
No, but they're not the right or so. They're not the right or so for defend. Yeah.
Nobody now go say that. So all them attack and all them are going to go in an elevator. They can't talk. Whosoever on their comment, then there's people who have just come.
I trouble me, I trouble. You know, say I trouble me, I trouble.
So let them go on about them business.
You know, say me pick your brains all the time.
If we follow all of them and go where go turn like them.
No, you know me not be like them. But me just a trouble you. Cause you're supposed to defend me as a real G, you know what I mean?
Me defend you? You hear me say if we go on the road and somebody move to one, they have to move everybody, but we can't bother the tracing. And I have time for that.
You know, you're there, Gracie.
I have time for that, don't I?
Anyways, me not hear from you. When are the cook off, Gracie? Still I ask.
Every day you call me about cook off.
Yeah.
Me I come over there today, yeah, they will me go me down.
You there warm?
No, me there work, but me don't go come on my morning job.
Oh, you come up here.
And me go left, come on my doctor's appointment and just stop by your house, cause nearby you me come.
Okay, me go there warm. Me not going over to them, me there warm. Okay. So me will definitely see you when you come finally. Me not see you from when? From a comeback. I have laundry for that today.
10 places at the same time.
Forget to count my name. If you get me.
It's an emergency, but they don't tell you that when you pull it, somebody's going to run to you same time, Ollie.
Alright, Mama.
What's going on?
Alright, Grace, later.
I'm not the nurse. I know that.
Hang up on Grace because she always hang up on me. I call her for about her friend yesterday. I call her